and welcome to Kinder Castle for another sound of the day. And today our sound is for letter I. Yes, today our sound is for letter I. Letter I. The sound for letter I is I, 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 I. As in, you must have heard about this. Yes, as in igloo. Letter I. The sound is I, as in igloo. Letter I is associated with the sound I. The action is the moustache of Inky the mouse. I. We don't call it E. It is I. We say sit. We don't say seat. The sound of letter I is I, as in sit. Sound of letter I is I, as in tin. I have an amazing flashcard for you to say how letter I speaks for us. But before that, we're going to do the song for letter I, and that is Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky is wet. Inky is wet. Alright, let's see what the flashcard has for us to explain us more about the sound of letter I. I go and get it. Shh. I am here. And this is letter I. I as in iguana. I as in white. I as in igloo. I as in ink. And I as in India. All these things starts with letter I and the sound is I. Don't forget the sound. Call us, message us, mail us. Kinder Castle helps their kids to read, write and spell. We start with the age of 4 years till 9 years and help our kids in reading, writing and spelling. For more details and for more information, please contact at the number below. Thank you.